touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this.
What? No, as such, and T-Steez can't touch. Captain Hook, baby. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Whoa! Shout outs to my man MC Hammer. This is not something that I'm trying to take credit for his music. Repeat, not taking credit for Hammer's music. We're taking credit for Bass Fishing 101. Can't touch. Ooh. Aaron Rodgers, Trick Cole, Bass Fishing, all my Bass fans. T-Steez, aka Captain Hook. See money. Cut it off, dog. Don't know nothing about that, dog. Because the fans always love to see him go back. T-Steez. Coverage you can count on. One last look at that, baby.